Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from class 7C. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Misha Melanie and I am Fakiha. Come on, follow US to cook.
The tools needed, areas needed. First steps, break one egg into a container. Second steps, add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the container. 3 steps, stir until foam comes out. 4 steps, add 3 tablespoons of flour to the container. 5 steps, spread Oreo and Oreo cream. 6 steps, crush the Oreos. 7 steps, put the crushed Oreos into a container. 8 steps, stir until smooth. 9 steps, pour a little margarine into a bowl, then melt it. 10 steps, add margarine to a container, then stir. 11 steps, spread margarine into the bowl. 12 steps, pour the mixture into a container. 13 steps, steam for 8 to 10 minutes. 14 steps, turn left. 15 steps, transfer to a plate. 16 steps, put cream on top. 17 steps, pour cocoa powder. 18 steps, add Oreos on top.